Hey, Indianapolis. Since we were little, we have heard so much about love and about finding that perfect one. Well, it just isn't that easy, is it? Are you sick of being alone, dating people who just aren't right for you? Don't think you can face one more crowded bar scene? Well, forget all that. Just try speed dating. Here's what a few people have said about it. Brilliant concept. So much fun. Hot chicks, cool guys. The best is that you can speed date in person or online. Whether you are looking to get married or just find a great new friend, speed dating is your fast track to getting there. Now, stop. Don't miss this opportunity. Your partner is waiting for you at the next speed dating event. The events fill up fast, so sign up right now on the link below. Don't put your happiness on hold 1 minute longer.